Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this easy beginner friendly eye look for you. I'm using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette today and I'm starting off with the shade Burnt Orange. I'm applying this into my crease using a fluffy blending brush. I'm just using back and forth motions, and then for the outer part of the eye I'm using circle motions. I'm going to be applying the same shade under my eye using a pencil brush. Next, I'm using the shade Fairy and I'm going to be applying this all over the lid using a flat shader brush. Then I'm just going to use the same fluffy brush and blend the edges out. Next, I'm going to be curling my lashes and then I'm going to be applying the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. And this is the final look, only using 2 eyeshadows, very easy to recreate for school, work, beginner friendly. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload weekly and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.